What's going on, family? Today we're making Mama's Casserole. Look at all that cheesy goodness. Alright, let's start it off. We're gonna chop these veggies up. We got green peppers we're gonna finely dice. Get a nice dice on those so they can cook evenly. I'm gonna remove that white from the inner piece of the bell pepper. I think it adds bitterness to it. Let's get a nice dice on those. Let's get some red pepper in there. I love the sweet red pepper. Simply delicious, flavorful. Gonna dice those up as well. Evenly diced. Let's get this onion. And the key to not crying while cutting the onion, make sure your knife is sharp and your onion is fresh. We buying these old onions. So let's dice these things up. We got a meal to cook. Alright, we're gonna add diced peppers and onions. We're gonna add those right into the oil. The oil is nice and hot, that extra virgin olive oil. Let's go ahead and get everything in there. I'm trying to get everything. No onion left behind. Let's go. So we're gonna brown these up for a little bit. I want more than just sweating them. I wanna actually get some brown on them, get some color on them. And after you achieve that, definitely gotta season this up. Develop those flavors. Let that cook down. You'll be amazed how this makes a difference. So once everything is brown, we're gonna just set it to the side. Go and get the meat ready. Let's brown that meat up. And this is an easy meal. Anybody can make this thing. You can show this video to your child and they can make dinner for you. Okay, it was something quick. My mom, she used to work long hours, so she had to come home and make a quick meal to feed the family of 5. So that's what she did. So we're gonna brown the meat. We're gonna add the veggies back. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. Let's get a good mix on there. Now this is my own seasoning blend. I'll have more details on that coming soon. And we have our onion powder. Get some of that in there. And we have our garlic salt with parsley. And of course, freshly ground black pepper. Now let's go ahead and mix that up. Growing up, this is one of my favorite dishes. Quick, simple, easy, and delicious. So there's some nostalgia going on right now. All right, we're gonna add our tomato sauce. I wanna add just enough where it covers the meat. I don't wanna add too much where it's more soupy than it is meaty. Let's get a good mix on there. temp down just a tad bit, because I want it to simmer and let those flavors develop in that pan. That's what it's all about, man. You take your time. You gotta rush. Although it is a quick meal, okay, we can take our time and enjoy it. Something therapeutic about making a dish for your family. Alright, we're gonna cover it. I'm gonna let that simmer down for about another 5 to 8 minutes. Simmering down lovely, nice and lovely. It's ready for the next step. Off on that. We have our pans here, little ramekins. Let's fill those guys up. A nice amount. Go ahead and add our cheese. Don't be shy with the cheese either. Add your biscuits. Now these guys are ready for the oven. So we'll slide them in the oven on 375. Until the biscuits are brown and the cheese is gooey. Look at that. The biscuits are brown. Cheese is just right. It's caramelized on the edges. Delicious. Let's see what that does. Let's get a close up of that. Let me bust this thing open real quick. Let me show y'all what's going on here. Listen, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks again, guys. I'll see y'all soon.